Hi, parents. If we haven't met before, I'm April Gianosa. I'm one of the third grade teachers at North School. I wanted to show you our third grade website that the other teacher, Mrs. Coleman, put together. This website has your student schedule. It has all the links for the Zoom meetings, and it has the assignments posted on it daily. If you notice here at the top, you can see a link for all the Zoom meetings. When you click on it, come over to where it says list of teacher Zooms, and you will see all the Zooms that a third grader might need. Now, keep in mind, we have 2 classes of third grades, and in between the 2 classes, there are many different schedules. We have about 12 different schedules that students follow. So make sure you follow the schedule that your student is on. Some students don't see all these teachers, so please pay attention to which teacher your child needs. Another way to get to these Zoom meetings is going to your student's schedule. When you click on the daily schedule, you'll see a list of all the third graders. Find your child, and you will see your child's schedule. This was sent home as a hard copy, but sometimes there might be changes. So you can use this online version. If we do make any changes, we'll send you home a new copy. The schedule is broken down by days of the week, and you can see each Zoom has its own separate hyperlink to it. When you click on one of the links, it will take you to the Zoom meeting, but remember, the Zoom meetings will not start until that time. We've noticed that some students are going in early to the Zooms, but no teacher is there because the class hasn't started yet. Now, some days your student might have a lot of Zooms, especially if a student is learning at home and they have to meet with their specialist teachers like PE, music, or art. One other thing I wanted to show you on our website are the class assignments. When you click on assignments, you will be brought to this page, Group A and Group B. Now, students are in either one of these 2 groups. So that means they're with a teacher 2 days a week in class for learning, and the other 3 days they're doing online learning. Let me show you Group B's, just to use it as an example. Group A will look similar. Each day, these assignments will change. If your child is in school learning that day, they won't have assignments listed here to go home for reading and math. They might have some other things to finish up, but these assignments are mostly for those students who are doing the e-learning at home that day. So you can click on the icon to take you to the assignment. And here's the assignment page. Same thing with math and writing, and then it takes you also to the Zoom links for the specials. Okay. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to email myself or Mrs. Coleman. We also have a Facebook page that has the link to this website, and it shares other important stuff that we do. We've shared pictures of the students so far in the classroom, and we'll be sharing other links and fun projects that we're doing. Thank you.